Hi, hello, this is Miss Pinky, and you landed on this audio because you are looking for some ways and better strategy on how to get more leads for your isogenics business. I understand the struggle, guys, the two dilemmas. You don't have enough cash flow to sustain your business, you don't have enough people to talk to. And believe me, I know the pain, okay? But here is the thing, the truth is, people doesn't like being sold. We love to buy stuff, right? But we don't like being sold, unfortunately. So the best way to do this, really, to generate leads, gone are those days, guys, that we chase friends and family. Gone are those days. Now, why don't you start leading with value? When you lead value to people and to the marketplace, you are providing solutions to people's problem, and that's how you become an attractive marketer. So how do you provide value to these people? Well, lead generation is a skill, guys. You just have to understand that it's a skill that we learn and develop. Now, bringing value to the marketplace, you can provide them solutions to their problems and their pain. Like, for instance, you can provide them free training. You can provide them videos on how to become a better marketer. You know, they become a better social media marketer, for instance. There's so many ways on how to bring value to these people. And when you start leading with value, guys, here's the magic. People will start following you. And you know why? Because you have created that value and the leadership in them, and they find value in you. And when they start following you, you have already created that relationship and the trust. And when that happens, okay, then you will have that authority to present to them your isogenics business and the products. In fact, one interesting thing here is this. You don't even have to even do that. You know why? Because they will start talking to you, and they will start asking you what you are doing, and they will start working with you. Believe me, guys, when you become an attraction marketer, you will become the hunted instead of being the hunter. Okay, so I hope you got that concept. Now, there's a link below this audio, and this is a lead generation platform that will give you the skill and teach you the skill. You cannot imagine this community of leaders helping you, helping each other, to build a business that will really last forever. As long as you will sustain it with people that you can talk to and build it. Okay, so click the link below this audio, and I hope this can help you. Well, I have no doubt it will help you. So connect with me. You got me here. This is Pinky again, and I wish you all the success, and take care. Bye-bye.